Hi guys, I'm Shmee, hello and welcome back to the channel where you join me out in Miami, Florida, back in the USA today at Detail Boutique to catch up with my friend Randy from Savage Garage, where inside you will notice the nose of a Bugatti Chiron. We're going to take it out to have a little bit of fun, as well as checking out Randy's new 2005 Ford GT, currently being worked on inside. So, the Chiron is awaiting, let's find Randy and go check it out. And here he is. Randy, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Very good, good to see you again.
Was that a little over the top?
No, that's all good, that's all good. I think we last caught up a couple of months ago visiting your garage out in Washington DC.
Yes, had a great time, great trip, great seeing you again.
Went out in the SVJ, still climbing on the miles on that?
Absolutely, I think we're up to 14.7 now.
Good effort, good effort.
Yeah, with no real major issues still.
Perfect. Well, we've just been out for a little run in the manual LP550 rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, that's a beautiful car.
It is indeed, but let's head in here. Shall we have a quick look at your new toy that you've got here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Detail Boutique in Miami, Ceramic Pro as well.
So right now, the car is being worked on. It's getting a new fuel pump. We had to change out one of the fuel pumps. We're doing an original Ford fuel pump. We were having a little bit of choking going on while we were driving. Just not hitting hitting the supercharger really hard. We got our boy Jerry in there. Jerry's the GT man. We are literally gonna have this thing on the road in just a few hours and then we'll be able to take it out.
Awesome, awesome. So this car, I mean, we should talk about it for a moment. Yep. It is a silver car with stripe delete.
Yes, it is. I wanted a stripe delete car. That was the biggest thing I wanted. It only has one of the 4 options. It only has the Macintosh radio, which is what I wanted to, because I knew I was gonna change out the wheels and do all that.
Yep.
So it's a great car. I absolutely adore it. But I wanted to do a Camilla wrap.
Yep.
And just did it like a cleaner version without the Ford GT down here. Just the simple silver and orange. Obviously I love orange from Savage Garage style.
Oh yes. I should point out at this stage that the last time we caught up, we literally went to a shop, a Porsche dealer, and you came away with a GT2 RS in bright orange.
And that car has 2,000 miles on it already.
Amazing.
I love it, and it's tuned and beautiful. I love it.
Perfect. So this was gloss silver.
Yep, gloss silver.
You satin PPF'd it?
Just satin regular wrap.
Okay.
It is fully ceramic coated and everything, all underneath. Beautiful, beautiful car. And this was a 2,100 mile spec.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, unfortunately, in the last 10 years, it's done 400 miles. So we had to do some updates to some of the bushings needed to be replaced. But we added a lot of, not modern parts. The KW suspension actually has a lift in it. So this is actually, we can show it to you when we get everything rolling, but this is an airbag. And it actually raises and fills the air. So it raises not just the front, like a front lift, but a whole...
Okay, four-wheel lift.
So you can clear the diffuser and everything.
Nice. Yep. These rear tires are gigantic.
Yes, they are the exact same size as the SVJ.
Okay.
21-inch 355s. Beautiful. And they're on Anarchy wheels, thanks to our boys next door here at Wheels Boutique. And we, the big thing that isn't done yet is we have the monster 4.5 Whipple supercharger that's going to go on this. We're going for about 1,000 horsepower.
Okay.
Right now it has Hafner full pipes all the way, headers, exhaust, the whole 9 yards. It's super loud.
And bumper delete.
Bumper delete car.
Much nicer.
Absolutely. And then what else do we do to the car? We have the first front and rear Brembo brake system coming, 6-piston brake system coming. We had to make some custom clamps for it. The first test system going on. I don't think anyone else has it, at least we don't believe, but it's going to be pretty amazing. So the brakes on this are actually pretty good, but that's going to be a whole other level.
Even better. Well, I'm very jealous. I love the 05 GT.
Yeah.
I would absolutely one day love to experience.
It took me forever to find a stripe delete car.
Yeah.
I hate the stripes.
Okay. And you wanted to do this.
You have a beautiful car.
Well, I like the stripes on mine.
I hate the stripes, and I added a stripe on it.
We'll quickly move on.
Come on. I mean, look at that. It just screams beautiful.
Definitely. And do you know what? Let's talk about this. This just happens to be a Bugatti Chiron. Yeah, it's a big Beetle, right?
Exactly.
It's a big Beetle, one very big. Do you have the key to the Beetle?
Of course I do.
Perfect. The headlights waking up, small details glowing. Cool. That is actually really cool. E46.
So we just got done. This is obviously, we're in Detail Boutique. We just got done doing a full, basically paint restoration on this car. This car came in scratch. The clear coat was really, really bad. And this is literally, it's immaculate. I mean, it is a used car. I mean, really, this is used and abused.
Yeah.
And it's awesome. All right.
Well,
this thing, let's go check it out.
Headlights. It locks itself, self-locks itself. This is such a nerdy detail, but I love it. The way the eyes illuminate. Cheese-tastic.
It's like the new Audi RS6 that has that.
Well, I mean, it's the same group, right? Volkswagen Group. This thing, except this happens to have a gigantic 8-litre quad-turbo W16 back here that makes a mere 1,500 horsepower, which is like nothing, right?
Yeah, it's not much of anything. It's just it's just satin black and
satin black, white.
It is sexy.
It's quite a monster.
It is for sale too.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
so Ben's had some fun with this car. This is the owner's Ben from Wiz Boutique. And he's had some fun with this car. I mean, but it's time to move on. He wants other projects. He has the XJ220 over there. Car's amazing. But we'll have to save that for the next time you're back here.
We will.
We're bringing a car back. We're bringing a car back here for some fun.
Definitely. And it might well be making a visit to this workshop at some point, I think. So should we fire this up and take it out now? Get ready. Deep rumble and power. Bugatti Chiron. Insanely loud. Yeah, you know what? Each and every time seeing one of these is special. Yeah, exactly like that. Wow. Next to, of course, the G. Quite a variety of cars actually. Ford GT, G, Chiron, E46, M3. Alright, we'll get this on out. What a machine, what a machine. At various stages it's had different wheels. It had some bright red wheels at one point as well. Look at that strip bar, light across the back. And out it emerges then. This is such a, you know, one day, a Bugatti. Just wow. So can I hop on board?
Absolutely.
Oh, we've got to get rid of the cover somewhere. Maybe I can hold on to it.
French connection, let's go.
Oh, squeeze on in. Right, where's the radio button in here? We need to turn that off for a second. I don't actually have a clue. Is it on the steering wheel?
It's on the steering wheel.
Find that and mute it a lot. Yeah, there we go. All the way down. So, all right.
I love the turbo sound in this thing.
I just love being in this thing.
The Oxblood interior is so beautiful.
Yes.
I mean, I look at it as Oxblood. I don't know what the true name of it is, but the dry carbon and
dry carbon, the way it goes all the way around the outside of it.
It's very classy, and it smells so good in here. The leather smells so good.
This is nice.
I love the separation.
See, even speakers up on the back, all around the place, and that view out the back as well. This is just one of those cars that is so spectacular in every way. But I don't know, it's just a dream, isn't it? It's just an absolute dream.
Yeah, you know. And it does this.
Oh dear. Yeah, wow, wow, wow. It does what?
I don't know. The turbos in this car are so. I thought my R34 was crazy. The turbos in this thing are absolutely insane.
Yeah, I'm feeling that.
Yeah. It really it's an incredible car.
Yeah, that was quite
just a little
experience. Okay, head back.
Immediate.
The torque is what's crazy.
Yeah.
Just it snaps your neck off if you're not holding your head back when you accelerate.
Exactly.
I mean, you've got the steering wheel to hold on to, but I'm kind of like, what is going on?
You're at my mercy.
Yeah, literally. Okay, this is quite something. This is really quite something just to behold and to experience. My words. Forget how fast it is.
Yeah.
Really do. What I love about it as well though, is now we can go nice and gently. And it's super comfortable and easy gently as well. You've got nice details and features, you know, the window switches.
I don't understand.
Toggle here.
What are you talking about, gentle?
Gentle? You don't really do gentle, do you?
No. Have you met me? My name is Savage.
Literally.
Savage. Yeah. Randy Savage.
For a reason. Off on the rallies, off driving hard.
Oh, yeah. But this is a car you really can enjoy. I mean, put the windows up, and it is actually very civilized. You know what we should do?
What should we do?
Nothing says class like going to Burger King and Chiron. What do you think?
Burger King and a Bugatti Chiron.
Yeah, let's go get a cheeseburger. What do you think?
I'm game. I'm down. The spontaneity. This is a first. Savage style. The Savage cheeseburger.
Hi, we're home.
Yeah. If you lived here and you just saw the Chiron turn up and turn around at your front door.
Holy moly, Ed McMahon just showed up or something.
You'd be like, what is going on?
I dated everybody with my Ed McMahon joke.
Oh well. This thing. I love that strut kind of beam that goes from the top and the back.
Oh, there you go. Ah, false, Randy. Put it in gear. So you put it in gear by pulling it, or you can put it by paddle.
Yeah. No, we've got the music back on, or rather we've got the traffic updates. I think you just press in the middle, don't you? That middle button. Yeah, that's mute. Perfect.
I just turned it down.
We want to hear some W16. None of that kind of like radio announcement stuff. As we make our way to Burger King, you said. The Burger King visit.
Yeah, they closed it, so we better hurry. You know, but this is the perfect car to just be in rush hour traffic with.
If you want to have a hypercar to sit and use daily and to not mind if you end up in a traffic jam, this is a pretty good way to go about it.
Or that, or just go out and buy a Gen 1 Mercy and e-gear.
An e-gear Mercy. Do you know what? The best way to sit in traffic is probably to be chauffeur driven in a Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Agreed. As a Wraith owner,
yeah,
because I love to drive, I would love to have a Phantom. Mm-hmm. Or they're going to make the new extended wheelbase Conan.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, so we found our Burger King.
Absolutely.
Are we going to go through the drive-thru?
Absolutely.
I had to hop out just to see this, taking the Chiron literally into the drive-thru.
What do you want, buddy? I'll get you a cheeseburger.
Yeah, cheeseburgers?
Get a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburgers.
You want a cheeseburger?
Yep, this is a thing. A Bugatti Chiron in a Burger King drive-thru. Wait, let me come round. What's Randy ordering then?
Bragging them out.
Yes, can I get 2 plain cheeseburgers? Would you like something to drink?
No, I'm good.
Plain cheeseburger, anything else?
That's it, just meat and cheese only.
Awesome, 255, thank you.
Okay, great.
Well, this wasn't really intentional, but it is quite amusing. The irony, I guess, of a Bugatti Chiron coming through a Burger King drive-thru. That car looks so nice. So nice. What a thing. And the food is obtained. Oh, that's gonna fall off. I'm like, this is gonna fall.
No, it's not.
Hey, got it. Gonna put it on the wing. There we go. Burger King on the wing. Burger King on the wing. Mission success. What a car though. What a car. Imagine if you were driving past and you saw this here. It's like, what? Randy, you're a crazy man.
That's fun.
It is quite fun. The simplicity of buying cheeseburgers in a Chiron.
Have you ever eaten on the wing?
No, I've never eaten on the wing of a Chiron, no.
But you've eaten on the wing of a car.
I definitely have, yeah. It's become a regular occurrence. When I cross the Eurotunnel to go from the UK across to the continent,
Absolutely.
we always grab a Burger King on the way over.
Absolutely.
But,
there you go.
mission success. Oh well, enjoy. I don't know how I'm gonna film. Oh, don't want to lose the napkin.
No, you're good.
We're
so
good.
pick up your burger. You gonna film? You filming?
I'm gonna try and film eating a cheeseburger. This is definitely a challenge when holding a.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
That's new. The first today.
I always want to make sure you have first with me.
Perfect. Spontaneously buying GT2 RSs, collecting Rolls-Royce rates, going and driving in the Stratos, the new Stratos.
Yeah.
And now taking a Chiron to Burger King to the drive-thru.
Savage style.
The burgers have been devoured. It is time to fire it back on up and head on back towards Detail Boutique. Mustang burbling away past us there. My goodness, of the random things in the world, that is up there. Oh, there we go, look at the sea, all illuminated. Really cool. Very nice. Very, very
One
nice.
badass bug.
Yes, that it is. That it very, very much is. Okay then, thanks Burger King. You were delicious. Oh, there we go. Got the reversing camera up on the screen there. Nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh wow, that noise is so good. That's such a cool sound. Oh, yeah, beeping away. Fun and games. Yep, there's the fun and games. And we are back at base. Wow. This is such an unbelievable machine. I'm gonna jump out quickly. Oh, look at that Chiron light illuminating down onto the floor. Wowzers. Yep, this thing is just the dream. A Bugatti Chiron. Can't say it enough times, but it's such an iconic car. The look at the front, the horseshoe grille. While the car is being pulled back, we also have Jimbo. Are you good, Jimbo? What's up, man? How are you? Oh, well, it's noisy with this in here, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but like you can actually hear like the
Everything.
panels on the windows like vibrating, like the resonance from it. It's really impressive. How did the ride go? It was fast, right?
Yes, this thing is just... Well, wait until you see where we've just been. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm just getting my phone out quickly here to capture the moment in a picture.
There we go.
That's what just happened.
There you go. There you go.
We got the drive-through. We got the drive-through with the Bugatti Chiron.
I've always been astounded by just how big the rear brakes are. I mean, I guess you need it with a car like this.
Well, and the fronts.
Oh, the fronts are absurd. Like
That's expected.
but the rears like are bigger than most normal production cars in the front.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And there we go. Done. Parked back up. Wow. This was fun. Thank you, Randy.
Oh, you're welcome. Nothing like a cheeseburger and a Bugatti.
Cheeseburger and a Bugatti.
Is that a song?
It is now.
I had a cheeseburger and a Bugatti.
I guess pretty much there we go then. Randy, the Chiron.
It was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good fun.
I was trying to pace you there, sorry.
Yeah, doing my thing, moving around, holding the video camera. But yes, that was awesome. I'm going to pop Randy's link down below. Savage Garage. If you don't follow them over on YouTube, your antics. Your
Exactly,
rallies.
fun. And we're going to have a lot more fun this coming year with you, and it's going to be blast.
I can't wait. And maybe at some point we'll have an outing with this, and maybe at some point one of my cars might be out here as well.
Exactly.
Which would be pretty cool, visiting right where we are right now. Anyway, for today, for our antics at Burger King with the Chiron, with Randy, thank you for watching, guys. And I'll see you again very soon.
Cheers.
Cheers.